Hi guys, so today we're in the Gen 3 Mitsubishi Montero and I'm gonna show to you how to avoid the clunking sound that occurs when you come out of park. So in countless FB pages and forums, I have seen people inquiring why their transmission is clunking when they put it out of park. So the problem that most people have is that when they come to a stop, they put it on park and then they put the handbrake on, which is the electronic handbrake here. So the best thing to do is, for example, you come from a drive. So we're in drive. Okay, as you can see there. So you come to a stop, put it on neutral, push up the electronic handbrake, and wait for it. Let go of the brake pedal, and then wait for the handbrake to catch. And then once you feel it catching, you put it on park. So that's the way to avoid the clunking sound out of park, and it will also prolong the life of your transmission. I hope you find the video helpful. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.